we're off just for like a little ride. My voice might sound a bit different, might seem a bit wheezy as well. I got a bit drunk last night. Basically what I was doing, I was on my computer editing videos. One beer led to another beer, and yeah, and then I got up, and when I got up, so take that fucking idiot, and when I got up, I was like, uh-oh, because when you're sat down, like, you feel the alcohol and that, but when you get up, Jesus Christ, it's like someone's just hit me in the back of the head with a 2x4. What's a 2x4? Got hit in the back of the head with like a hammer. So we have like a destination in mind. We might not hit that destination, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. You know. Got a full tank of fuel. Well, it's not quite full. Probably done about 20 miles. That's the only annoying thing on the MT. The stages the fuel increments goes in is just ridiculous. What the fuck are you doing? Why don't you just fucking pull out? Force your way out? Oh mate, now we have to wait out these fucking red lights. I am still in rain mode. I may change it up to mode 1 or mode 2. Do I want mode 1? I'll go mode 1. It's 10 degrees, it's pretty warm. That fucking retard there. This belongs in a retirement home, just like Simon GT1400. Oh, where his name is. I was thinking actually before I got on my bike, how long does it take for units of alcohol to leave your bloodstream? And I think it's like 1 hour per unit, or 1 hour per 2 units. So I'm probably over the limit still, I'm not too sure, but I want to get out because it looks like it's going to rain later. And it's windy as fuck. Come on, you cock. Are we going? Are we not? Like, what the fuck's happening? Thank you. We've kind of got a choice here as well. So, where we're going, we can either go A3, all country lanes. The issue is, I'm in a bit of a rush, so I think we're going to have to go A3. Oh, what a day. Hasn't really been much of a day yet, but I can't see. Like, what am I even looking at? What the fuck are you doing, you cock? I think so. It sounds good in my head, but it just doesn't. I'm listening to what my mouth is saying, and it's just not sounding right at all. So A331, A31, A3. Keep the visor down, but it's should have wiped my glasses really before I came out, and my visor. It's a bit patchy, I guess is the right word. the other lane, but decided against it. Oh, I just like the little... That sounds like a fucking phone, but, you know, I like the little pops. Right, what's this bender doing then? You gonna move over? Good boy. Good girl. Just the sound of gear shifting just sounds just insane. Like, I don't know how you explain it. And the thing is, what you hear on the bike through the microphone, the 50, whoops. What you hear on the bike through the microphone and what I hear in my ears are basically the same thing. It sounds incredibly quiet and doesn't really sound like much is going on. But mate, trust me, right? What people hear when they're behind you or in front of you is just, yeah, it's like chaos. Absolute destruction. But what are we doing? Oh, it's a 50. Oh, I keep forgetting. Oh, I've never seen 50 before on my bike. Petrol station coming up. Do we get fuel or do we risk it? That is the big question. It's an MT-10. Do we risk it? Probably not. Which will be a fuel. So I'm going to put in there to get some fuel. I'm like 20 minutes away from my destination, so not too bad to be honest. Oh, these look good, hey. Oh, hello. Tony's chocolates, 3 fucking quid. What the fuck is that got in it? What are these? 10 grams of protein. Gluten free. I do really like these. So I might actually have to take them up on that. That's a good deal. I'll take them for that. And we'll take 2. We're number 5. I got a text message off Boo Rider 61 or 69, whatever his last numbers are. I think 61, Boo Rider 61. Are you out today? No, mate, I'm not. I'm currently at home, masturbating to porn. Why would I be masturbating? Good question. I ain't gonna shit! I ain't gonna shit anymore! Anyway, let's go. Oh, mate! This sounds so fucking good! God damn! Oh, man, I love this MT. It is... Never ever grow old. Like, it just, god damn, that noise just sounds so good.